Welcome to Mont-St-Michel, an island commune located in Normandy, France. The island itself is about a half a mile away from the country's northwestern coast, and about 50 people call it home. The architectural structure of the island is extremely important to notice. God, the Abbey and the monastery, is on top. During the 100 Years' War, a small garrison fended off a full English attack in the year 1433, later inspiring Joan of Arc in her quest to rid the English from French territory. According to legend, in the year 708, the Archangel Michael appeared to the Bishop of Avranches and instructed him to build a church on this rocky islet. Prior to the modern bridge being built, pilgrims would have to walk across the mud and the quicksand to get to the church. Needless to say, it could be a very dangerous journey. During the construction process, the final piece of the puzzle was building the church steeple. But in order to compensate for that massive amount of weight, they had to build a lot of underground chambers, crypts, and chapels. That's pretty amazing. This is a treadwheel crane, and people would actually walk inside of it just like a hamster in order to lift heavy items from the ground all the way up here. We hope you enjoyed Mont-St-Michel as much as we did. We will catch you from our next destination. Bye-bye.